Hey, hello, boys and girls. So I'm going to do what I can here to show you and remind you on how we borrow in math. So if you look at the board, I have written the number 22 and I am subtracting the number 17 from it. So I want you to watch what I'm doing on the board with my orange paper and how I'm going to borrow. You'll notice that I did not draw lines or boxes today. I want to show you how to do it without the lines and the boxes so that you begin to get familiar with what that is going to look like. Okay? So I come up here and I am going to, I notice that the number 2 is smaller than the number 7. So if I have 2 in this hand, I cannot take 7 from it. I can't do that. I don't have enough. So I know that I know I have to borrow. So I mark out my 2. And 2 turns next door to get 10 more. So the number 2 is now 12. Okay, and I forgot to do it, but I'm going to come back right now and cover these guys because I'm only looking at this side on the right. So now my new problem is 12 minus 7. Well, if I have 12 in this hand, I can take 7 from it. Okay, so 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. I'm done with this side, so I'm going to move my paper over. I move it over. Now, 2 came over here to get 10 from this side. So now this guy, he's not a 2 anymore, he's a 1. Okay? And I look at my new problem. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer to 22 minus 17 is 5. Okay, let's look at another problem together. We're going to take the number 35 minus 16. Okay, and again, you'll notice I do not have boxes. I didn't draw a line. Okay, but if I look at this and I look at the right side here, I'm going to go ahead and cover up my 10s and look over here. I know that 5 is smaller than 6. So if I have 5 things here, I cannot take 6 from it. I don't have enough. So 5 goes next door, gets 10 more, and becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is a problem I can solve, and my answer is 9. Okay? I'm done with my right. I turn to the left. 3 is not there anymore. I just took 10 from it, so it becomes a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer to 35 minus 16 is 19. Okay? Let's look at another problem. What if I had 135 minus 122. Okay? I have 135 minus 122. Now, if I look at this, I know that 5 is now bigger than 2. So do I need to borrow? No, because if I have 5 things in this hand, I can take 2 from it, okay? So 5 minus 2 is 3, okay? 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 13. But what if I change something? What if my 2 here, this is going to give me a whole different answer. What if my 2 becomes 9? Now, if I have 5 things, can I take 9 from it? No. But I have no boxes and I have no lines. But what do I have to do? I know that I have to borrow. So, I take my paper and I focus on the right side. I'm only focusing on the right side right now. I'm not going to worry about everything else. 5 goes next door, gets 10 more, becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay? Now I'm going to cover this, and I'm also I don't have it, but I'm not going to look at the ones either. I'm just looking at the numbers in the tens place. Okay? 3 is not there anymore. It lost 10, so it becomes 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay? And now I can look. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer to 135 minus 29 is 6. And that's it. Okay? That was some borrowing review for you. I hope you guys have fun doing it at home. You guys have been doing an amazing, amazing job borrowing. So keep it up. Have fun.